Today is going to be an interesting session as we are going to make a snake. Have you ever seen a snake in your life? Well, yes, it looks something like this. Let's see the steps and then start doing. All we have to do is make a freehand drawing which looks like a lot of curves and spirals. Go very slow and continue making this design. After that, let's make this part and then continue from here and make this. The next thing we do is make this part thicker. And then make this one. Let's make the eyes and then the face. And then let's make this part. Before going ahead with the drawing, we need to also erase the parts which may look confusing. So, let's erase the rough part and continue making a fair drawing. It can look a little tricky with a lot of curved lines. So keep erasing the ones which we don't require and then go ahead with the next drawing. Usually, the bottom part of the snake, which is touching the ground, has the lines. So, let's make that. It gets easier for us to understand which is the top of the body and which is the bottom of the body. The next thing we do is make this part and then make the lines inside. This definitely looks very interesting. Let's make the tongue now. And then let's start sketching this. Go very slow while sketching and be exactly on top of the curved lines. Let's sketch this together and complete it nicely. Yes, just like how we have drawn this with our pencil. Complete the entire snake in a similar way. And then erase all the pencil marks you see. Once we are done erasing the pencil marks, let's start coloring this. Let's color this very slowly and nicely with the help of a brown color. And then try shading this a little bit. How do we do it? Well, at the corner of the entire snake, we are going to make it darker, and in the center, we will keep some white space and make it lighter. This is going to help create a beautiful shading effect. Usually, wherever the light falls, that part is lighter, and wherever there is no light, that place forms a shadow, and hence it is dark. This looks very interesting. Now we will take yellow color and do this part. Continue coloring the alternate lines with yellow color. Let's do the same right here and here as well. Let's take grey color and do it right in the middle now. This combination looks so interesting, isn't it? I am loving the snake. What about you? I hope you've made it exactly like how we've made it here. Finally, let's color the tongue. Yes, with dark orange or red color. This looks amazing. Finally, let's take black color and sketch the eye properly. And look at that.